say go.
Penny.
Mommy's gonna say 1, 2, 3, go.
Daddy's trying to get her to look at the camera. You keep talking to look at you.
Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you gonna say
Daddy,
1, 2,
Penny.
3, go?
Look at Daddy.
And he's saying it. I'm ready. Are you ready, Mommy?
Are those birds attacking that cat? Ready?
Oh.
You're funny.
Penny and Mommy is second.
You're really racing, huh?
They're third.
Was it fun, Penny?
Me and Daddy is first.
You think she liked it? She seems fine.
I want to try it again.
No, you can go around yourself. Go on. Just you be careful. Hey, when you come down around that corner, you don't come flying around that corner. You have to stop, make sure there's no cars coming.
Yes, but why didn't you do it?
I go real slow, but you go real fast. You gotta go slow. You can try, but don't come flying around that corner. It could be a car coming.